Hi guys, morning, evening. I'd like to share with you a bit about Peruvian places, Peruvian small villages. Well, we are now 8 a.m. Take a look how noisy is this place. We are in the hotel. Today, fortunately, is our last day here. We've been here 2 nights. Take a look how noisy is this place. Oh my gosh, was so hard. this 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 comes from the guy offering a taxi service around to small villages near here. The city we are is the city is La Unión, the place, the birth of one of the Inca city. Machu Picchu is one of them, and here is other one, right? Anyways, if you intend to come to Peru, be prepared to to handle noisy situations, because it's so rare to have a good sleep night. Oh my gosh, it's horrible. This part in Peru is terrible, right?